Hello, what's up? So it's 5 o'clock right now. I just came out of my home. I took the umbrella and just came out of my home as it was raining after a long time. So it's beautiful morning. It's really a beautiful morning. It seems like it's there's a heavenly environment around me. Okay, I'll show you. I'll try to show you. So as I said, it's 5 o'clock right now. I got up early at 4:40 today. Usually I used to sleep late, so I used to go up at 7 or 8 a.m. morning. But somehow I got sleep last night. My phone was dead, no charge at all. So I just slept early to start the night. Today I got up so early. Yeah, it says that early to sleep and early to rise, and that seems so beautiful for me today. Once a wise man said the quote, early to rise, early to sleep. Yeah, that seems truly beautiful to me. Actually, we all shall do it, whether we are working for hours and hours, doesn't matter. We shall maintain the sleep cycle, early to sleep or early to rise. Okay, let me show you how the environment looks around. Yeah, as usual, I used to come here. Yeah, right at the back there is forest. Once again, I am in that forest only. Whenever I feel the environment is like there's a good environment around, I used to come here. So let me shift the back camera so that I can show you the view around. Wow, it's my village. It's truly beautiful. Just have a look at. Yeah, this is one of my favorite place. I used to visit here. Usually I used to visit here, and it's just peaceful to me. It seems peaceful to me. Let me shift to the sky. The sky seems beautiful too. Okay, here I am once again. So I hope you all are fine. You all are doing great. So today, that's all. Bye bye. Take care. Stay tuned to me. Subscribe for more.